You'll love this Ironman Silver 2012 Hyundai Accent GS, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 37 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like occupant sensing passenger airbag deactivation, XM satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, iPod, emergency braking assist, electronic brake force distribution, power tilt steering wheel, cargo cover, electronic stability control, variable intermittent front wipers, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Hyundai Accent. See us at Grayson Hyundai today.
With a comprehensive parts and service department, an extensive inventory of new and used vehicles, and unbeatable customer service, the leading Knoxville, Tennessee Subaru and Hyundai dealer has all of your automotive needs covered. Open 6 days a week, Grayson Subaru Hyundai is conveniently located at 8729 Kingston Pike in Knoxville. Come see us. For more information about our amazing inventory lineup, check us out online at www.graysonhyundai.com.